Alright, YouTubers, here we go again with another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is a really cool company coming from Amazon. This is Samstars. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And here we go. This is personal protection for your safety in case you're in a bad situation. This will definitely scare some bad guys off. Now this is really cool right here. This is a window breaker and a seatbelt cutter. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in a second. And oh, come on. Can't get this out. Alright, we got it out. And oops, this is a little key ring. You can put on your keychain, on your keys. There's that. But this is really cool. See, you can definitely smash some stuff right here. So if you're in like your car flips in a bad situation, you can smash out your window and cut your seat belt. Blade is sharp, be careful. Definitely kids, ask your parents permission. See how sharp that blade is? Really easy to pull out. There you go, see? Boom. You just cut your seat belt. And let's see. What else? Oh, and then alarm. This alarm though is really loud, so if you got sensitive ears, you might want to turn down your device right now, because I'm telling you, this thing is loud, but it'll definitely help your kids out, your wife, your girlfriend, anybody you care about, your grandparents. But definitely really cool to have, coming from, like I said, Samstars. And this is what, if you buy one of them, you get 1, 2, 3. So this would be a good 3-person family. Your wife, your kids, yourself even. And like I said, it is loud. So if you got sensitive hearing, you might want to turn down or press mute right now, because once you pull this thing, it's like a grenade. You know, you just want to pull, and definitely will scare off the criminal. But it comes with a flashlight LED. Oh, I gotta pull this first. So you pull this. Oh boy. Pull that out like that. Nice silver case. And I think, yeah, see, that's light. Really light. You can shine them in the eyes, and then, oh man. Alright, here we go. This is a part where I tell you, sensitive ears, press the mute button right now, because this thing is loud, so I gotta act really fast. See what I mean? 130 decibels. Crazy, crazy. Keychain. Fit it on your school, your college classes. If you're on campus, this would be really cool. Alert security. Whatchamacallit? At festivals, music festivals, this would be a great device to carry around. And like I said, really cool, lightweight. You get it 3 in a pack at a low cost. All I gotta do is click the link, and if I do have a discount code, it'll be in the description. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Samstars on Amazon Prime. Have a great weekend, and sorry about the noise, but I gotta show you guys this personal security. Really cool, awesome. And here's the should show you the other colors. The blue, and they all are just as loud too. Same decibels. There's a red, lightweight, blue, silver, and red. So thank you guys, Samstars. Check them out. Be safe.